Hi guys, we are in Walmart. My mom's birthday is on Friday. I need to go find this thing that I know that she's really gonna want. So excited, and I'm just hoping that they have it. There was only one left the last time. So this is it. This is the Pac-Man. My mom loves Pac-Man, and this is the only one. I'm hoping that they have it in inventory or something. Just ended up ordering it right now. It's gonna get delivered to my house on the 19th. Hi guys, I'm in a rush again. When am I not in a rush? We get our nose and our toes done, and then we have a lot of errands to run. I have a whole list of things that I actually need in here to make sure that I focus and not get distracted, because that's normally what I do when I get in here. Open her gifts for grandma. These both are from grandmother.
Oh my gosh. Because I didn't get it. The blonde. Oh my gosh, I'm finna open this one up. Try this one. Gosh.
I hope you like it. I'm so excited. Grandma.
They had it set up. No, because I was playing first, and when
Moment of freaking truth. They smell so good. We are in Denny's. I've been craving crepes for the past month. Excited to be here and get some crepes and eggs.
I'm still checking that food.
Yeah. Are you kidding me? The candle was broke inside. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
No matter the circumstance, she always like ends up on top. And yeah, I just love you, Mom. You're so great, and I'm just for that. I love you.
Give her a hug.
I love you, Mom. I love you. You been my baby daddy. Just always, making sure I didn't go to him.
At that age, I was like 4 or 5 at the beach. You having fun? And you come up to her waist. Water was coming way up. It was like real high. It was like, and she was going, jump, let me have your head. Ain't you having fun? Wee! And I was coughing and crying. And that pole said, stop crying, it's fun.